This Oakridge Real Estate property video is presented by Ryan Bex. Lots of great features and character in this home. Has unique custom built-ins and wonderful storage. Updated kitchen and bath. Large living room with tons of natural light. Huge lower-level living room for many different uses. Spacious laundry room and storage area. Awesome bonus room on the back of the home that leads to a large deck off the back of the house and opens up a nice fenced-in backyard. Plenty of parking and a one-stall garage. Just across the street is a large park with plenty of green space. Tons of updates that include windows, siding, insulation, electrical, and more. Great proximity to shopping and other essentials. Please call today and set up a showing on this wonderful home.